Hi everyone, welcome to Tamang Kitchen. Today I am going to make very tasty and easy to make, that is fried rice with sauces. For that I have taken 1 bowl boiled rice, 1 cup sliced sauces and 2 tablespoon cabbage chopped, you can see here, 1 tablespoon carrot, 2 tablespoon onion. For the spices I am going to use cooking oil 2 tablespoon and quarter teaspoon cumin seed, quarter teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic and chili sauce, just pinch of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon cumin powder, quarter teaspoon meat masala powder, just pinch of turmeric, salt to taste. Now I am going to show you cooking process. Add oil, add cumin seed, add onion, stir it, fry the onion until golden brown. Onion is soft and golden brown. Now I'll add sauces. Mix nicely. Sauces need to be cooked. Cover the sauces. Cook for 2 minutes. Check the sauces. Stir it so that cooks both sides. I made so many times. I love to eat this types of rice with sauces. Maybe you will love it to eat it. That's why I bring this recipe to you all. Now add all the spices. Pepper powder, mix nicely, add soy sauce, add chili sauce, mix nicely. Add carrot, add cabbage, mix nicely, add boiled rice, mix nicely, add some salt, vinegar, if you want more spicy you can use chili, but this chili and garlic sauce is very spicy, so I didn't use any chili. Now I will cover pan for 1 minute. Check the rice. Now rice is ready to serve. You can see it's very tasty. Wow, very nice aroma is here. Now I'm going to serve rice. I'll put into the plate. Now tasty fried rice with sauces is ready to eat. Please try at home, and thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and share to my video, and see you next time with next recipe. नमस्ते सम्पूर्ण नेपाली दाजुभाइ साथी जति पनि हुनुहुन्छ हजुरहरू सबैजनालाई मैले यो एकदमै मिठो टेस्टी डिलिसियस फ्राइड राइस बनाएको छु ससेजसँग। हजुरहरू पनि यस्तै गरी बनाउनुस्, खानुस्, मिठो भयो भएन मेरो कमेन्टको बक्समा कमेन्ट गर्नुस् युट्युबमा। अनि यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला। अरु साथीहरुलाई पनि यो भिडियो पठाइदिनु होला। अर्को रेसिपीको साथ फेरि भेटौँला। आजको लागि यति नै, बाइ बाइ।